Hindi ko na na-videohan yung gamit ko. That is all, guys. Currently 12:30.
Ito yung pala ni Kuya nung nakaraan.
Lala.
Sa ano mo.
Diba? Kasi parang ang fresh ko.
Hi guys. Yan. Welcome to my vlog.
The vlogag.
Hi guys, our food is here.
Gonna give this a 10 out of 10. Look at that. Review the pack. Yeah. How was the food? Rate out of 10. I'll give it like 8.5.
Hey guys, saan mo na yung sister ko? And the winner!
Napikul po namin yung lola namin guys. Thank you.
For real, thanks, Mama! Sumakat yung wala niya.
Sumakit ang ulo ko. Sumakit ang wallet ko.
Ooh, so good.
Medyo
Nasaan mo pag may cinnamon yan? Good food. Love it. Currently, it's 8:27. And mag-grocery pa. Mag-start pa lang kami mag-grocery after everything that we went through. Mali ata yung sinusundan natin ganit. Okay.
Design niya yung kagat. Ganyan siya pag binili mo.
Kinagatan.
No.
Girl, lahat ng cookies kinagatan niya kasi titikman niya lang dahil.
Design. I don't like the s'mores.
Then why are you still eating it?
Kasi walang kain ng half cookie.
Girl, walang kumakain ng may kagat na cookie.
I will.
Kasi ikaw kumagat lahat. So yan na siya guys, binigyan ko siya ng chocolate.
Nigel!
Nigel, smile. Yari ka sa mami mo may chocolate.
Very good.
Hindi niya po ma-explain ang nararamdaman niya.
lang na lang. Pero minsan, pag nasa may may-ari or may birthday, nagpapakain talaga. So, sasabihan naman na, oh, bukas may luto, una kayo mag-
Wow, si Angela Bofia.
Nakikita niyo ba kami? Just got home. Yes.
Let's go, let's charge this.
Am I going to say bye to my vlog? I don't know. Pero, this is the end of it. Wala na. 5 minutes lang yun. Is this a week of my life? I'm not sure also. Pero let's see if I can take a vid tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. It's currently 7:22 a.m. Ayaw niya mag-focus kasi naka-detect siya sa face ko. But yeah. Ang gulo pa ng hair ko. Sana. Girl, my sleep was so good. Sobrang kalat pa ng gamit here. To be honest, hindi ko talaga mag-ayos na ng gamit kasi madami akong gamit. What I'm gonna do is change my nails to kasi dito kasi look, it's not very pretty na. We have 4 nails. Hi guys, I'm done with my nail. I just love this so much. Taking a bath and I'm doing my skincare very quick kasi nagmamadali na naman. We're going to Watson's, I think. Sasaglit lang kami. Hey guys, we're rushing kasi no oras na.
Hindi ka ba nagpapagupit?
Tandang kasalanan.
Sa'yo conditioner na...
Okay, she's packing differently.
Swimming pool doon.
So, ako, hindi ko alam kung ano ginagawa ko dito. Pero I'm definitely gonna gulo your things. Okay, bababa na ako kasi wala akong ginagawa dito. Nanggugulo lang ako dito. Nare-rush ko lang siya lalo. Okay, bye. You know what, guys? What I actually forgot is my toiletries. Andun din na siya kasi sa bag ko. Girl, I look so pretty. Ang ganda ko. Got my charger. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya ipapack. Pero I have to bring my iPad too. I'm so tired already. I don't wanna even go. College pala ako, guys. Worst thing that could ever happen is if I lost my camera. Hi guys, we are now loaded. We're on the way na. It's currently 2:24 and 2 hours daw yung biyahe. So, I'm gonna see you guys later. Might sleep though. Kasi, pero we're eating lunch.
Mama, may sasend po ako. Hindi waste.
3:58 and we're going to eat sa Jollibee muna. First stop over. Bagi lobot na ako. Hindi ko nakikita sa sarili ko. Ito kung nasa na kami. But I think C5. So baka naman. Nantok na ako. Pero kakain na ako kasi nagugutom na ako low-key. Sama natin ang brother ko, guys. Yes, we're here. This is what it looks like. So nice. Di kami kasya sa kwarto.
Sumayo ka patangin mo, dali.
This is so nice. The rooms are so nice. So
Kasha, mama, ito.
May bayad pa yan.
Feeling ko lang, mama.
show the room.
Room tour, guys!
Nag-tour ka. Room tour.
Guys! Ka ng tulog. Tipo.
Guys, we're stressing out.
Yung pinsan kong influencer, ano ba?
I just changed. And for bed rotting. Just a quick OOTD. Okay, so we're going down now. Ganda ng boses, parang si Taylor Swift. Si Taylor Swift yan! Wait lang, nakarelo pa nga ako eh. Sige. Hi guys. Basta may maligo. Babad lang na ako and then magkakaraoke na. something about Filipino culture. It's already, it's only 8:34. I'm pinagkakaroke. Smile! Smile here! Smile! Hi!
Kiss!
Wow! Yay! Ay! Sino yun? Sino yun na dyan? Hi guys, we're going to eat. It's currently 6:30 and from saan ba kami galing? Pansol. From Laguna. We're now here at Fairview. Hey guys, totoo na. It's currently
Guys, may 20 kayo.
Hey guys, we got home like 20 minutes ago. Ay. Hello everyone, look at my hair. It's so good. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-light, right? Ganda ka!
School na yan.
Hi guys.
Diba super lapit ma? Walking
We're
distance lang.
going
Pwede kang umuwi pag tanghali.
Diba ma? Ang kaso, yun nga, ginawa nilang janitor
SM North.
maintenance yung teacher.
Sorry. Robinson.
Kasi ay, hindi na po.
Skirt year 6.
Tapos ako, tapos gagawin niyo ako tagalinis ng ano, ng school.
Sa ibang bansa ka pa, matatanggap mo.
6'4". Ang liwanag ng buhok ko, guys. I love it.
Wala na. Wala na.
Yun na lang feeling ko. Agenda sa Robinson is done. The car is here. Okay, we're going in. We're going in, guys. Guys, we're at SM. We got it all for you.
Very shopping day.